They say Taylor was a good girl, never one to be late, complain, express ideas in her brain. Working on the night shift, passing up the day, cause you're gonna have to pay her if you wanna park here. Well, mommy's little dancer is quite a little secret, walking on the streets now, never gonna keep it. Quite an imposition, and now she's only wishing that she would have listened to the words they say. Poor Taylor, she just wanders around, unaffected by the winter wind, yeah. And she'll pretend that she's somewhere else, so far and clear. About 2,000 miles from here. We'll beat a Patrick, beat a batters on the window. The sun is silhouette won't let him in. And poor old Pete's got nothing cause he's been falling. And somehow Sonny knows just where he's been. He thinks the singing on Sunday gonna save his soul. Now that Saturday's gone, and sometimes he thinks that he's on his way, but I could see that his brake lights are on, and he just wanders around, unaffected by the winter winds, yeah. And he'll pretend that, well, he's somewhere else, so far and clear, about 2,000 miles from here. Such a tough enchilada filled up one night. I give him what you gotta give to get a dollar bill. Used to be a limber chick and times have been a tick, and now she's finger licking to the man with the money in his pocket, flying in his rocket, only stopping by on his way to a better world. If Taylor finds a better world, Taylor's gonna run away.